That feeling right now, the sudden chill of panic, the chaos of water taking over your safe place, it's completely normal. When disaster strikes your home, it feels like everything is out of control. We know this situation is overwhelming, but please, take a breath. You don't have to face this alone. At OnSite, we are your trusted ally in this crisis, and we are already mobilizing. Before we arrive, there are 2 critical steps you can safely take right now to protect your family and limit the damage. Every second counts. 1. Stop the source. If it's a burst pipe, locate and safely shut off your home's main water valve. 2. Kill the power. If the water is near any outlets or appliances, do not touch them. Safely turn off the electricity to the affected area at your breaker box. Call OnSite 24 immediately. This is key. We offer 24/7 immediate response. Call us now. Our experts will guide you through insurance, mobilize the nearest crew, and get us on the road. We are on our way to take control. We are the trusted team that swiftly restores your property and peace of mind. We promise to be completely honest and candid throughout the entire process, explaining every next step clearly. Thank you for trusting OnSite. Remember, when disaster strikes, we're always on to help get your life back to normal.